My people, now welcome back to another video. Today's video, my people, are going to show now how to prepare yam porridge. Okay, so guys, if today is the first day you see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, if you want to know how to prepare this yummy yam porridge, then keep on washing. So guys, first I come put my pot of fire, then I come put my red oil, then I come leave the oil make it bleach small for like 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, I beg, if you never subscribe, I beg me you not forget to subscribe, or make you like this video, make you comment, I beg make you not forget. Okay, thank you so much. Then I come leave and make it hot for like 2 to 3 minutes. After it does hot, then I come put my onions. Yes, then I so my people, after I don't fry the onions for like 2 to 3 minutes, then I can add my blended fresh pepper, which is habanero pepper, onions, red bell pepper, and ginger. Okay, then I can leave and make it fry for like 5 minutes. Guys, at this point my house all the scent, and I know now ginger everywhere the scent. So guys, it don't fry for like 5 minutes. Then later I can add my dry mackerel fish. See, I be fan of mackerel fish, so yes, so I be fan of mackerel fish. See, this one a smoked mackerel fish. Then I just debone, then add them, then put my seasoning. At this point, if you put any seasoning of your choice, then I can put salt. Okay, I just add all my seasoning. Okay, then I can put crayfish, add everything, all the made, then I can cover and make it simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes. So my people, I can't taste for salt. Then I can say you need a little bit of salt. Then I can add small salt. Then I can cover and make it cook, guys. Okay, so my people, I beg, if you never subscribe and you don't watch me out of this time, I beg make you not forget to subscribe. Or I say my reminder again, make you like this video, make you share. Okay, so guys, after like 20 minutes our yam done, yes, it don't cook. Then I can take my spoon, then I can use and mash am a little. Okay, I just want make it dey thick small, then I can mash am with my spoon. Okay, then after I don mash am with my spoon small, then I can cover and make it simmer for like 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes, guys, and our yam porridge done ready. Look at this yam porridge tastes so voila. Yes, so my people, our yam porridge done ready. Our yummy yam porridge is ready. So guys, make una come join us. How una see this video? Hope so una enjoy this video, una learn 1 or 2. Abeg make una not forget to like this video, comment down below wetin una think about this food. This food tastes so yummy, guys. It tastes so sweet. Okay, so guys, I'll see you again for my next video. Bye.